Good afternoon, Ken here from Ultralight, and right now I'm going to do an instructional video on our AD-125. The AD-125 is a ball adapter for the Ikelite Strobes, from a small Ikelite strobe to large or even larger than this. So what will happen is you're going to get a bag with instructions, the part, a screw, and an extra screw. And the reason we have this extra screw, I will tell you in just a minute. So anyways, once you take it all out, you take your strobe. You're going to take the part here. One end, there's no threaded hole, and the other end there is. So you're going to take the side with the threaded hole and slide it this way. And then on this little hole right here, I'm not going to do it, but you take this little screw, you put it down in there and tighten it into here. And as you can see, this is a very fine little screw. Good idea is you could take a dab of silicone and put it on there, silicone grease, put it together. The other good idea is to take this thing out every once in a while and clean it, because if you don't, because it's so small, this will freeze up inside this mount and it will twist and break. So we have the extra screw. This is small, you could lose it, but try to take it out and clean it every once in a while. The other thing is, make sure you use a screwdriver with a very small Phillips blade tip on there to fit that screw really good when you take it in, when you twist it to put it in and take it out. So anyways, that is how you use the AD-125. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. I'm always here and happy to help. Other than that, happy filming and have a great day.